A few years ago, I stopped doing things that I normally would do, like getting on and off my bike was a little bit difficult, and I felt some pain in my groin and in the back of my lower buttocks, and I wasn't quite sure what that was. I just thought I was getting older. So slowly things progressed, and I wasn't doing much of anything anymore. Going for walks, it just started getting really painful to do those things. First I went to my regular family doctor, and she recommended me. So we got a referral, and I went in to see Dr. Karadimas. Dr. Karadimas said that my pain was caused from arthritis, and there wasn't much left between the bones. He took some x-rays and came back and said, well, there's not much we can do. You are in your 60s. And so there was only one answer, and that was to have the surgery and the new hip replacement. I had my hip surgery done in the McLaren Hospital, and it was fabulous. The floor that we were on was fabulous. Everyone was so kind, and you knew that they knew what they were doing when they did the hip replacement. It was just so nice. I was up and walking within a few hours after surgery. I did not have the pain that I had before, but I did have surgery pain, of course. It was difficult to get through that surgical pain. I would recommend having surgery at McLaren for a hip replacement. There really was not a flaw in the system when I went. They were in and out very quickly. I only spent one night. Recovery was very good. They were very thorough in everything that they did. I would definitely recommend Dr. Karadimas. So kind, so loving, and he really did care about my recovery. 7 months ago, when I had my surgery, I thought that things would go along very quickly, but I didn't think that they would go along as fast as they did. 7 months ago, I couldn't go to the store and shop. Now I can. I couldn't ride my bike, and I couldn't get on my bike, and now I can do something like that. If you're hesitant on making that first appointment, don't put it off. This was such an easy procedure, and the recovery period on it is not that long. So the pain that you're in now is going to go away.